Culinary Arts Management student, and I'm here to present to you guys the Drunken Sailor Breakfast Sandwich featuring the Saltwinds dark roast coffee, and that's it. Let's go. For our sandwich, first we brew the coffee, reduce half of it until it's thick, and let it cool down for our mayonnaise and set aside the other half. Combine the reduced coffee and the mayonnaise and set aside. For the chicken, mix the other half of the brewed coffee with yogurt, cayenne pepper, and salt. And rub the chicken with the marinade and leave in the fridge for 24 hours. Then we breadcrumb the marinated chicken and fry for approximately 3 minutes per side, depending on the thickness of the chicken. Cut the English muffin in half and toast each side, then set it aside. To assemble it, add the mayonnaise on both sides of the muffin. Then put the fried chicken, then the tomato and the egg, and close the sandwich. Garnish with some avocado and fruits and serve it.